Hi Kinders, we are going to do another page in our blue writing journal. So you're going to need your Flair pen and your blue writing journal, and you're going to open up to the next page. And for me, this is the next page. And we are going to open our Flair pens. And remember, we don't see the star, so I'm going to draw my own star here. So this is how I'm going to draw this star. I'm going to do an X, and I'm going to do a line through it, so it looks like a snowflake star. Now I'm going to put my finger there because that's where I start my writing, right here on this side of the paper. So that's why I put the star there, to help me remember, because sometimes when I'm writing, I forget. So we are going to be practicing the letter B. B, B, B. B for backpack bear. We're going to write a capital letter B first. Now all capital letters start in the sky. They pass the fence and they touch the ground like that. And then we're going to do the two bumps of the B, the capital B. Here's the first one that goes to the fence, and then the last one that goes down to the ground, capital B. Next to my capital B, I'm going to write a lowercase b. A lowercase b is a tall letter. That means it starts in the sky, passes the fence and touches the ground, and then there is just one bump. So uppercase B, lowercase b, ba, ba for the B sound. Now, I'm gonna go to the next line, but I know, am I gonna start writing over here? No, this star reminds me that I always start writing on this side. So I'm gonna come all the way over here and I'm gonna write the date. Do you remember the shortcut for writing August? Do you remember the number? That's right, it's the number 8. So I'm gonna write the number 8. That says August. And then I'm gonna do a dash because today is the 27th. So 27 is two numbers, a 2 and a 7. August 27th. Now I'm gonna do another dash and I have to write the year. It's 2020. So that's 2, 0, 2. Oh, oops, I made a mistake. Is that okay? Sure it is. I'm just gonna cross it out and write the 2, which is tricky for me, and the 0 again. So it says August 27, 2020. So when I go back and look at my journal, I'll remember the date that I worked on the letter B. Now, Mrs. Cito was trying to think of all the words that start with a B, B, B. We learned in our backpack workbook that backpack bear starts with a B, and bicycle starts with a B, and book starts with a B. But I was thinking something I could teach you to draw, and I decided that I'm going to try to teach you to draw a bat. Say bat, bat. So I'm going to write the word for bat first. So I know that I have to start. So I'm going to go to the next line, and I'm going to start over here because this is where the star is, and that reminds me to start over here. And I'm going to write a lowercase b. I started at the sky, passed the fence, and went to the ground. B. A. Now, if Mrs. Cito's going too fast, remember you can always pause the video and then come back when you're ready, okay? And the last letter of bat is a T. Bat. So now that I finished all my writing, I can get to drawing my picture. So to draw a bat, I want you to start in the middle of the page and draw a circle for his or her face, if you want to draw a girl bat or a boy bat. So there's a circle for the face. Now we're gonna do the wings. So I'm gonna do this side first. I'm gonna do a big half circle like that. I want my bat to have big wings. And then on this side, I'm gonna do another big half circle just to copy this side. So it's the same on this side as it is on this side. There's a big word for it. It's called symmetry. You'll learn that in 2nd grade. So you draw the wing on this side and the wing on that side. Then we're gonna draw the bat's ears. So it's 2 triangles like that. And then we're gonna draw his or her eyes. I'll just do black circles. I think I'll make mine a girl. I have a girl bat. You can do a girl bat or a boy bat. And my bat is very happy. And I'm gonna draw her teeth, which are gonna be triangles that are upside down. Now I'm ready to do the bottom of the bat wings. So I'm gonna put my Flair pen right here, and I'm gonna do another half circle, and then another half circle, and then this half circle is gonna come back and touch the body where his face is. And I'm gonna do the same thing for here. I'm gonna put my Flair pen right here and do a half circle, another half circle. Now this one's gonna touch the bat's face right there. There's a bat. Does it look like a bat? The bat has to have legs. I'm not very good at drawing the legs, so I draw 2 lines for their legs like this, and then I draw 3 little lines for her feet. Now I'm done with my Flair pen. I'm going to close it and listen for the click. Now bats, what color are you going to color your bat? Bats can be brown, they could be gray. I think I'm going to do a gray and brown mix. I'm going to make the ears, the inside of the bat ears are a little bit pink. So I'm going to color that pink. And I'm going to make her face gray, like this. And I'm trying to follow the coloring rules and staying inside the lines and trying to make sure that it makes sense. So I'm not coloring my bat rainbow. And I'm trying to have no white. So I'm going to color her wings now. I can't wait to see your bats. You can show your bat to your teacher at small group time, because I know they're going to be so impressed with your picture. I know I can't wait to see the picture of all the bats in my class. And I'm going to color this side now. Now remember, if Mrs. Cito's going too fast, you can pause the video and then come back when you're ready. Now, if you run out of time doing your journal and you don't get to color it, you can always color it later during independent work time after you finish watching all the videos. There you go. There's my bat that we made together on August 27th. Good job, boys and girls.